which is one dollar kind of money for one person to go help the street and we will go to the bed, okay? So we try to go and give $1 for one person. They said no, the brother cannot go. I said no, I have to take my brother in. Why only $1? I never let him say go. But today, I will let him go. And I know it's very, very too soon for him to go. That is something that I can't pay. I won't accept. It's very early for him.